our DRM sirs is tirelessly working to bring the better train experiences, better life experiences to each and every employees. So we are honoring him on behalf of our senior DE. This is a small honorarium from ELSED, sir.
So, the honoring of small is a beginning, sir. Actually, the leader of Salem Division, Divisional Railway Manager, sir, is here with us. And we are always looking for optimum and gift always. I hope DRM sir will be very happy in receiving a small speeches to us. People are always awaiting for the speech of from DRM sir. So, sir's style of speech is always required.
Enlighten us with your words, sir. We are here for you.
Good evening, Collector Erode, Mr. Rajagopalan, my team member from Salem, CPM, Gangaraju, all the officers, Senior D and other officers of Electric Loco State, Divisional Secretaries of our unions, members of associations, all the railway men present here and all the family members and lovely kids. It is with immense pleasure and pride I stand before you today to celebrate the historic milestone, the 100th anniversary of electrification in Indian Railway. This has been a glorious journey of our Indian Railways. The occasion is not just a celebration of a century of progress, but a tribute to the visionaries, engineers and railway men who laid the foundation of electrified rail transport in our country. 100 years ago, the Indian Railways took a bold step towards modernization by embracing electrification. What started with the first electrified railway section in 1925 has now evolved into a vast network powering the nation's growth. Today, we are at the forefront of sustainable and energy efficient transportation, contributing significantly to Indian economy and development. Our Salem division, we are having 2 electric loco sheds, both are in Erode. This Erode loco shed has played a pivotal role in the journey. It is, I must tell you with pride, that it is the best loco sheds of Indian Railways. For the last year, it stood first position, and with great pride, I used to tell that it is in my division. So the journey of electrification has just transformed Indian Railways in multiple ways. I am very happy to see that we are celebrating this occasion in a wonderful manner. The climate is also very good and everybody is enjoying. The participation is very positive. 2-3 events I have already seen, especially the kids one, they are performing really well. So our journey must go on, and once again congratulations to all on this historic occasion. Let us continue to power the nation with our dedication and passion. Jai Hind, Jai Indian Railways.
DRM sir has enlightened minds with his vast knowledge and wise, substantial contribution to the field of development of railway, have felt us indelibly enlightened and inspiring countless to the all individuals present here. Now I invite our senior D sir, along with our collector sir Rajagopal sir, to present a small token of love to our dear young sir, who leads us, who guides us, who enlightens us. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.